betrayal that led him to this fate due to him emotionally, that Gemma was in on it, that Juice was in on it. How does he kind of process that?
Well, I don't want to give away too much, but the word that Kurt used yesterday in some sort of tweet was redemption. I think he is, at least in the beginning of the season, he's come to the fact that he might be at the end of his run. Not just his run as president or his run as a husband, stepfather, and all that, but his run in general. And so he's decided to begin to try to put his house in order. That's what it is in the early going. And where it ends up, as we turn the corner, we're just in the middle of season 6 as we speak, and I have no idea where we're going.
What kind of threats does Clay face while he's in prison?
Well, he goes in there with a $5 million price on his head. So whoever was the assassin for Damien Pope, his assassination will engender $5 million cash. And he's in a place where that can happen the minute he walks in the door, or even before. So the first episode is going to be what that moment looks like and feels like.
Now, it's always been, everyone loves to boo Clay, but I've always kind of seen him as a person who does what's necessary and has had his club's interests and the club's future. And you play that well on screen. How do you keep kind of that, you know, I'm kind of the bad guy in the story, but I'm also, this is necessary. The reason I'm this way is necessary for the greater good.
I never, I can't afford to think of any character that I play as the good guy or the bad guy, even though when you get hired, you know, it's obvious. But from that point on, once you're hired, it becomes an exercise in, you know, who is this guy? And what do I love about him? And what does he love about himself? And if he's a king like Clay was, he didn't become that by accident. He became that because he was to the manner born. And with that comes, I mean, if you look at the kings around the world and through history, they run the gamut. Very benevolent to really evil. And, but the one thing that's common between all of them is the responsibility of keeping their kingdom whole and safe and autonomous and independent. And sometimes that, you know, doesn't look pretty. And I agree with you. Clay is the guy that considers himself, I'll do anything to keep my family together, to keep us whole, independent, autonomous, and at no one's disposal.